As an author, you probably know how important and frustrating marketing can be, especially for young adult and middle grade books, where connecting with kids can be hard because they're not often the ones buying books for themselves. So how do we get kids interested while also getting gatekeepers like teachers and librarians on board? One answer is school visits. Now, if you're like me, when you first think of doing school visits, you might be hit with lots of questions and uncertainty. How do I get started? Who do I contact? What could I even talk about? Wouldn't somebody else do a better job or have more experience? What if I'm afraid of public speaking? In my course, Get Your First School Speaking Gig, I'll help you brainstorm places to speak at, help you navigate outreach, including with email templates, and help you develop your speaking plan to tap into your unique areas of expertise. And yes, you do have them, even if they aren't directly centered on English or writing. For example, I'm a clinical psychology PhD student studying eating disorder treatment, which is also the topic of my young adult novel. I also have a therapy dog, Peach. So our speaking visits center on mental health, including eating disorder awareness, because that's something I'm passionate and knowledgeable about. If you've tried looking for templates, advice, and other resources on how to book school speaking gigs, you know that most companies only offer programs that cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Save yourself the months of trial and error and uncertainty of trying to navigate this process by yourself as well. And sign up for my course, Get Your First School Speaking Gig. Can't wait to see you there.